Welcome to Stock Coney. Friends, here are today's top market insights and major corporate developments. Before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe, it keeps us motivated to bring daily updates for you. Top corporate headlines. Kolte-Patil Developers acquires a 7.5-acre land parcel in Pune with an estimated GDV of Rs 1,400 crore. Rajesh Power Services signs a huge Rs 4,754 crore MoU with the Gujarat Government to move overhead HT lines underground. Tata Elxsi reports strong Q2 results, profit beats estimates by 2.2%, with EBITDA margin improving 20 basis points quarter-on-quarter. Afcons Infrastructure bags an order worth Rs 576 crore for civil and allied infrastructure works. On the other side, TCS reports a 5.4% decline in Q2 net profit quarter-on-quarter, missing analyst estimates by 3%. KPI Green Energy receives an order to develop a 100-megawatt solar power project. Info Edge reports 12% year-on-year billing growth, with recruitment solutions segment up 11%. Nuvama Wealth surges 9.9%, outperforming the Nifty 50 index by 8.7 points. Crompton Greaves wins a Rs 51.6 crore solar rooftop order in Telangana. That's all for today's top corporate updates and market movers. Stay tuned for more daily business insights, only on Stock Coney. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for tomorrow's update.